Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you set up Bigo live streaming for beginners. So to set up a Bigo live for streamers as a beginner, you could focus on simple technical setup, profile optimization, and engagement focus as well. So what you need is, first of all, you want to make sure to download the app onto your device. Head over to your respective app store, type in Bigo Live on the search bar and install it. So once done installing, click on the open button. Now then you have to go ahead and create an account for yourself. So once you're done creating your account, you will be taken to the page something like this. So accordingly, you could go and explore any other content as well if you want, or if you actually want to go live yourself, then what you want to do is simply click on the me section, and you could just go ahead and click on creator center. As you click on the creator center, you could go in live tools. You just go and click on go live at the bottom. It's gonna ask you to enable some sort of permission like enable microphone, camera, and all that. If you are sure about it, you could go ahead and enable that, and this way you'll be able to go live on Bigo. And this is the simple setup for beginners. And likewise, if you want to focus on some other external stuff like smartphone, microphone, lightning, and then a stable internet connection as well. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.